Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be my monthly unboxing for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Here's the box. Obviously, they did change the way the box does look. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, retails over $120, and you get 5 full-size products in your box. So this theme is Flaunt It, and it comes with a little card, and it shows you everything that you've got. All right. So your 5 Glam Bag Plus products worth $120 plus are in place. Give a round of applause. For all-star cast, here's everything you need to know. Okay, opening my box now. The first thing I see in the box is going to be something exciting. The Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. So it was developed by it's a mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals that slough away the day to reveal brighter, tighter skin. A soothing blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera helps reduce redness. So this retails for $79 frickin' dollars. Are you joking? Wow. Okay, it's already worth it. Second thing I have in the box would be this Lovecraft Beauty bronzer palette. It's inspired by New Orleans mysticism. Makeup artist and founder Francelle Daly believes beauty is a connection to inner magic. These matte bronzers easily blend and build to a natural sun-kissed glow and definitely double as eyeshadows. The value is $30. Let's take a look in here. So we've got a little protective card. It's actually taped in here. So this is great. It looks like it would fit all skin tones, deep, contour, and then a light bronzer. So that's exciting. The value of that's $30. I think I said that. Then we have Trestique All Over Starlight Powder Stick in Ultraviolet. I don't know about this, but it's designed for life on the go. It creates multi-purpose crayons that travel with ease. Twist up powder highlighter swipes onto it's powder, so that's cool. Swipes onto cheeks, eyes, and body for an ethereal ultraviolet glow. This retails for $18. Obviously, this is try on. I do this every month. We'll be using that. The next thing in the box, okay, it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to get it open for you, before I even show it to you, because what's the point? So this is in collaboration with Betty Boop. So here's the eyeshadow palette. It's That's So Betty. It retails for $30. Inspired by the iconic muse Betty Boop, this Ipster exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over you. With 8 buildable hues like shimmery champagne, powdery pink, and rich plum, these velvety shadows glide onto lids with ease. I'm looking in here now, and there's one matte, but that's where that bronzer palette is going to come into place. So that's pretty cool. I'm not mad at that. Last thing in the box is Jules Smith Power Gloss Duo in Namaste All Day in Serene Queen. Value $32. From jewelry to beauty, founder Gina Negrelli Smith knows how to shine. This pair of rosy crystal-inspired glasses from Jules Smith Beauty gives high eye shine moisture with vitamins A and E and a hint of shimmer. So now that we know all that, and the retail value for those is $32, let me add up those numbers and give you the total, and then we'll do a makeup look using these products. All right, let's start with the lip glosses first. I've got Serene Queen and Namaste. Those are the swatches. So Serene Queen, Namaste. It's a little more coral. I think I'm going to play it safe and take Serene Queen. I just put a nude lip liner on, and then, so this is really subtle. It smells really good. A little bit floral. It's a bit sticky and thick. Yeah, it's gonna do that kind of thing. So not my favorite. I added a lot of blush, but it'll all come together once we do our bronzer and all of that. Then I'm going to be going in with the bronzer, or the contour bronzer trio, whatever it is. I don't know. So then we have Cymbeline, Suniva, and Aditya. I'm going to go in with Suniva right here, and just bronze. See what color we get. Of course, like, you're not going to be able to tell because I have all this stupid blush on. I don't even feel like that's that pigmented. Let's go into Aditya. I think that's a little bit better. Well, maybe it is there. Yeah, this is pretty pigmented. I just put my brush in both of them. Just kind of went like that. Going around the perimeter of my face, and now it looks crazy. So the pigment definitely is there. I wonder, and I don't think I can contour with any of these because they're all super warm. Let me show you swatches. I actually think I could contour, so here they are going, in order. I think I could contour with that one right there, so let's try that. It's like Cymbeline. Oh yeah, it does a pretty good job at contour. Just going around, the hairline where we contour, the nose. I like this. I think if I wasn't already wearing a lot of makeup, it would be great. I'm going to take my powder brush and just kind of tone this all down. Then let's get into the highlighter. All right, guys, the highlighter, I can already tell you is a no because it fell out completely, but here's the swatch. It's really super powdery. I would never just put this right directly on my face because that would be a disaster. So I can't believe that fell right out. Okay, we're gonna be unbiased and try it anyway. Okay, it's super powdery. I mean, it doesn't look half bad, I guess. It really doesn't look terrible. It has a hint of purple and violet. I'm not really into this type of highlighter. And I'm not really feeling that lip gloss either. Maybe if it was paired with a different lip liner. But there's the highlight. It's got a pinkish violet hue. It is really pigmented. It looks better on the skin than this. And yeah, I'm kind of sad that it fell out of the case. It's unfortunate. All right, let's see what we can do with this palette, which is not a lot. It does have the case covering on here, and I just didn't take it off yet. So what I think I'm going to do is go into the bronzer palette. This is just playing it safe. I'm going to do a really simple eye look because not much I can do with this. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the deepest bronzer here and just fluff that in my crease so you can see how pigmented these bronzers really are. That is super pigmented. So I love that. I love the bronzer palette, and I'm really happy about the, what is it, Dr. Brandt? Yeah, the Dr. Brandt Pores No More microdermabrasion. Although I already have so many microdermabrasion things, I use the Dermalogica one all the time, the daily one, and that one's so good. I don't know. Sometimes it's not good to micro exfoliate like all the time. And with my daily one, I still don't. But the fact that it's $79, I mean, that's good. What's the rating? I don't know. I didn't check it. I'm just going to kind of sweep this above toward the brow bone and on the lower lash line. All right, I'm going to take this pink right here. Tons of fallout, as you can see. I like the shimmers in there, and I'm just going to put this lower in the crease. Basically non-existent pigment, really, really lots of powdery kick up. Can't really see anything with that shade, but we tried. Literally all that shade did was take away the bronzer pigment, so I'm not happy about that. I'm going to take a leap of faith and I'm going to go into this satin. Oh my gosh. It's so powdery and dusty. I wonder if the pigment's going to be there. At least there's some sort of pigment going on. But it's going to take me a while to build this up. So just know that I'm going to put it in the crease to about 1/3 of the way in on the eye. All right, so it built up all right. It's not shimmery in the crease or anything, but there's a lot of fallout and it's really dusty and it doesn't build up that much. I'm going to take this shade on a flat brush and I'm just going to place that in between that dark shade to about halfway. Let's try our finger because that's not working out. That's better. So that's really pigmented. That's pretty pigmented. It's kind of patchy. I then want to take this gold in the palette because I'm dying to use it. Again, it's like you have to scrape a layer off and then it's super powdery. This was the one shade I was hoping would perform super well. We're going to try the finger again. These are very gritty feeling. Do you guys see much? I don't know. I see a little bit of something. I love pairing purple with oranges, so I just thought that would look nice, but I'll leave it at that for now. On the center of the lid, I'm going to take this icy shade. Looks promising. I'm going to put that right in the middle, just to draw light to that particular area. I'm going to put it kind of high in the crease. So that looks better, definitely. This is a nice shade. It's pretty pigmented. I bet if it was wet, this would be a whole different story, but I'm not about to sit here and spend all my time doing this for Ipsy, I guess. I'm underwhelmed by this palette, guys, as you can tell. It's not working for me. It's just not. They're very gritty. And for the inner corner, let's take this bright shade. Like nothing's coming off the brush. Or off here on the brush. That one is nice. Oh, I like that one a lot. And let's work that on our brow bone. Just a little bit. And I also like to take it and open up the inner third on the lower lash line. Right, I'm gonna go put on some falsies, mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the final look with lashes on and some liner. I'm underwhelmed. I actually don't like this box at all. Like at all. The only thing worth anything is this, and even that, I'm not into this. I don't know. This was the major value of the box. I mean, this right here, I will use that. Everything else, I will not use. So this box to me is canceled. I think what I'm gonna do for Ipsy is I'm just gonna do the regular glam bag and just unbag it. I used to be happier with those. I like travel size products. Sometimes you get a full size brush, but to me, this isn't worth it. Either do the ultimate or the bag. The plus, I'm underwhelmed 2 months in a row. So if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, I'll leave all the details down below. Let me know, what did you get in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Were you disappointed? I even updated my quiz and everything right before, you know, they were to send it out and all that. But and I got a Betty Boot bag, which I got all that stuff in the ultimate. So the plus for 25, boxycharm it is for 25. I'll stick to boxycharm for 25, Ipsy Glam Bag for the unbaggings on my channel. That's about it. This isn't worth it. The Ultimate, along with boxyluxe, is just too much for me. But yeah, did you like your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? What did you get? Were you disappointed? Will you be continuing the service or kind of doing what I'm doing? Yeah, it's just not worth it. But I'm so glad you guys joined me for today. If you like unboxings, please hit the thumbs up button. You don't know how much it helps me. It lets YouTube know that you guys like my videos and it spreads it around to other people. So hitting the like button is the best thing you can do other than subscribe and hit that notification bell. I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.